All right, today we're going to be taking a look at this watch. It is a square analog quartz stainless steel watch for men. The brand asked us just to unbox this, so that's what we're going to do for you guys right over here. So right off the bat here, we have a pocket square that was going to get it so we could take the watch off. We got this right over here, a little card. We have our instruction manual right over here. Really compact, really easy to go through. You can see over here, you have the different usage modes right over here, exactly what you need to do. If you wanted to adjust your straps, you got this over here as well. Now, this is what it looks like. It is gifted nice. So if I were to get this just gifted like this, I'd be like, this is pretty high end. I really like this. Take this out of the box. Totally wrapped in plastic, which is great to protect everything. Don't have to worry about that. You can see right here, that's what the face looks like. This is the blue color. It comes in multiple different colors. You get black, you get gold. You could see all the color choices yourself. You got your little dial over here where you're gonna change the time. It even has a little plastic piece here that we're gonna pop out, and that will start the watch itself. All you gotta do is follow the directions in here to get this set up, rocking and rolling. Really, really nice watch. It is adjustable, so if you're looking for a nice watch for yourself or as a gift, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.